are in the school, okay? In the school, you sit properly, no? Sit properly, children. Let's do the prayer. All of you join your hands. Very good, children. Join your hands. Okay, let's start. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the water we drink. Thank you, God, for the birds that think. Thank you, God, for everything. We have to thank God for blessing us. Okay? Now, all of you, sit properly, sit straight, be good, and be attentive. Okay? Children, today we have subject maths. Okay? Now, I want to show you some things. Are you ready to study maths with me? Yes or no? Are you ready to study maths? Very good. Now, I'll show you something. You have to tell me what is that, okay? Children, everybody knows the names of vegetables? Yes or no? Everybody knows and everybody eats vegetable? Yes or no? Good morning. Now, pay attention, children, okay? Now, see, I have this. Can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this? What is this, children? It's a brinjal. And I have one more brinjal. What is this? It is also a brinjal. Okay. Now, children, which brinjal can we lift very easily? Which brinjal? This one or this one? Suppose this is brinjal A and this is brinjal B. So which brinjal can we lift easily? Can we pick up easily? A or B? A or B? Very good, Pratik. We can lift B. Why, children? Because this brinjal is lighter than this. We can also pick up this, but easily we can pick up this. Why? Because this brinjal is light and this is heavy compared to this brinjal. So what is light and heavy? These are the weights. What are these? These are weight. So today in this topic, we are going to learn about weight. We are going to learn about weight, that is mass. Okay, children? We are going to learn about the weight. Now see, children, I have two more things to show you. What is this? What is this, children? Who will tell me fast? What is this? Very good. It's an apple. And what is this? What is this? It's an orange. Now, very good, Shamsher. Very good. Now, see, children, when these both, they look same. Now, whose weight is more and whose weight is less? Here we can identify because, okay, let's see and let's check, Sonakshi. Okay, now see that in that case, in the brinjal case, we're able to recognize the weight by its size. That one was big and other was small. So we are easily identified. Now in this case, we wanted to check whose weight is more or less. For that, what we can use, children? We can use bean balance or weight machine. Now see children, this is a weight machine which I have. Can you see everyone? Can you see? Now see children, in this we have numbers. That means the weight, and how we can check the weight. The unit for checking the weight is kilograms and gram. What is the unit to check the weight is kilogram and gram. We can use these two units to check the weight. Children, we can also write kilogram as kg and gram as g. We can write kilogram as kg and gram as g. And children, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. See children, here you can see different grams first. 1000, can you see? 1000, 2000, sorry, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. 1000 makes 1 kg, that is 1 kilogram. 1 kg is 1 kilogram. Okay, now let us check the weight of both apple and orange. So first I will place the apple. Children, what is the weight? The weight is 150 grams. After 100, it's 150 grams. All can see 150 grams. Now let us check the weight of orange. It is 140 grams. What is the weight of the orange? 140. So the weight of apple is more than the orange. Whose weight is more? So children, we can measure exactly the weight with the help of weighing machine. Okay, weighing machine. This is very useful for us to weigh. Suppose children, we go in a fruit market. Okay children, suppose we go in a fruit market and there we wanted to buy some fruits. So what the fruit seller used to buy, what the fruit seller use? He used a weighing machine. What is that machine called? Now see children, I'll show you that machine. Here's that machine. This is called beam balance weighing machine. Okay, now let me keep here this. Okay, I have kept this machine here. Now see children, we can measure the small objects or the object with a very less weight with the small machines. But what if the things are bigger? Okay, we can measure the small things with a small machine and grams is okay for them. But what if the things are big, how we can measure? We can use with the help, we can measure with the help of weighing machine. Now children, let me show you some other thing also. Children, here, have you seen all this? What are these? What are these, children? Have you seen all this? Have you seen? Okay, these are weights. With the help of these weights, we can measure the objects properly. Okay, now let us see the first weight. See, it is 50 grams. It is 50 grams. I'll keep it here. Then this is 100 grams. What is this? It's 100 grams. Okay, children. Now, let me show you another one. This is 200 grams. Can you see it? It is 200 grams. This is 500 grams. This is 500 grams. And this is 1 kg. That is 1 kilogram. This is 1 kilogram. And children, we also have 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg, 50 kg and more. With the help of these weights, with the help of these objects, we can measure the weights of the object. Now, for example, I have a big object or a big fruit I want to measure. Now, what is this, children? What is this? It's a big papaya. It's a big papaya. I want to measure this papaya. So, children, what I will do, I will put it in the weighing machine. Okay, I will put it in the weighing machine. Now, with this, with the small one, can I weight it? It will not go down. See, children, it will not go down. It wants some heavy weight, that is 1 kg weight. So I will use the heavy. Again, still it is not going. But then I have to put one more. So it will go down. That means this papaya is 1.5 kg. The balance maintained is same. The balance maintained is same. Okay. So the balance you maintain is same. That means the papaya weight is 1.5 kg. What is the weight of the papaya? 1.5 kg. Similarly, we can measure different items. I'll just show this. What is this? What is this, children? It's a cauliflower. Now I wanted to weight cauliflower. So I will put the weight and I will use 500 grams to check is it is coming up. Yes, it's going slowly down. That means this is weight. The weight of the cauliflower is 500. Correct. Very good. So children, with the help of beam balance and with the help of weights, we can identify the weights properly. Let me keep this. Okay, now children, did you understood From this, we come to know that for the small things to measure, we can use gram, okay? We can use grams, but to measure the bigger objects, we have to use kilogram, that is kg. Okay, children? Now, let us do, I'll just show you one activity. Are you ready to see? Yes? I'll show you one activity. I have made this beam balance at home for you. See, children, this we can also make at home to measure the small objects. Okay? Now, I have color. I have color. I'll, children, you have to hold it, this beam balance between, from middle. Okay? Now, see, children, I have this one color with me. When I put the one color, this part it goes down. That means the weight is more here and the weight is less. Now let's compare to, this is, I have one color. I'll put the stick here. Now the weight is equal. Can you see, children? The weight is equal. Now this two pencils, when I put the two color pencils, again, this way, this is going down. This is going down. But again, when I put this color in this, so this becomes equal. This becomes equal. That means two color pencil weights two color box or a jar. Okay. Now let us compare this color bottles with this little, this pens. Okay. So I have two color bottles in this jar. I have two color bottles in this jar. Now let me compare how many pens I will use to make this weight equal. I use one, it is not coming same. Now let me put more. One more, no, three, little bit is left. 4, yes. Now children, you can see the weight is same. That means two color bottle weighs 4 pens. Why? Because the weight of this pen is less than the weight of this color pen. Okay, so we have used this pen two. We have used 2 pens of this, and we have used 4 pen of this. Understood, children? That means the comparison is going between the color pen and the pen. Okay, children? Understood or no? All are feeling sleepy? Understood, children? Yes, it's equal now. You can make this at your place also, at your home also. I've used a hanger and the waste boxes from my home to make this beam balance. You can also make this at your home. Okay, children? Understood this part? Very well. Okay. Now, let us play one game. Are you ready to play a game with me? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Now, I will show you some object. You have to tell me, which object is heavy. Okay? You have to tell me which object is heavy. I have 1 lemon, okay, and a brinjal. Which is heavy, brinjal or lemon? Come on, fast. Let me see who gives me the answer very fast. Very good, Aditi. The answer is brinjal. This is heavy. Now let me guess. Let me tell you one more thing. Show you one more thing. I have brinjal and an apple, which is light, which is light, which is light. Very good, brinjal. Very good. Which is light in weight, brinjal or apple? Light, I said light in weight. Brinjal or apple? It's brinjal. Now let me guess. Now, color, bottle or pen, which is heavy? Color, bottle or pen? Yes, very good. Color. Aditi, very good answer. Color is heavy than the pen. Okay. Now, which is heavier? A brinjal or a cauliflower? A brinjal or a cauliflower? Which is heavy? Brinjal or cauliflower? Let us check the weight of both. Okay. It's looking almost the same, the weight. Let us say, check the weight. How we'll check the weight? With the help of this weighing machine. Let me check. Who all are telling brinjal? Let me see who is the winner, brinjal one or cauliflower one. Okay. The weight of the cauliflower is 500 grams. You can see 500. Okay. Now let me see the weight of the brinjal. Oh, the brinjal is 350. That means the weight of the cauliflower is more. So who won? Those who tell the answer, cauliflower. They all won. Okay. So children, now let me show you my PPT. Now we will just do a practice. Let me share my screen with you. All are ready? Okay, I will start with the beginning. Yes. Okay. Children, online class, standard third, measurement, weight. Now let us see further. See children, if we go to, what is this? Children, what is this? It's a fruit market. If you want to go in a fruit market and buy some fruits, how the fruit seller will give you? He will just pick up the fruits and give you? No. What he's going to do? He's going to weight, do the weight. Suppose you say, I want 1 kg of apples. I want 1 kg of apples. So he will not count 5, 6 apples and give it to you. No, now what he will do? He will use his bean balance. That is, he will use his bean balance, and in that balance, he will put your apples, and in the other one, he will use weights. These are weights. See children, from small to big, this is 50 grams, 100 grams. I have showed you 5, and out of that we have more. See, this is 50, 100, 200, 500, 1 kg. Now see, this is the weight of 2 kg. We also have 5 kg. We also have 10 kg and 20 kg. Okay, children, these are the weights we use to buy a grocery, a fruits, a vegetables, or any objects we wanted to buy from the market. Okay, children, let's go further. What are my objectives? What are the objectives? See, the objective is after completing lesson, you will be able to compare weights. I've shown you the comparison using the beam balance. Then measure weights using balance. I've showed you the big weight. Then measure mass. Mass is a weight, and relation between kilograms and gram. That is 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. This is the relation. Now see, children. Children, you have to tell me the answer of this, okay? Now see. This is pumpkin. This is lemon. And this is cabbage. Okay? Which vegetable you can easily pick up? Which vegetable you can easily pick up? You can easily hold the vegetable very easily. That is lemon. Why lemon, children? Because it is light in weight. It is not heavy like pumpkin and cabbage. After lemon, what comes? Cabbage or pumpkin? Cabbage. Because it is heavy than lemon. And the heavier is pumpkin. That means pumpkin is the heaviest than lemon and cabbage. Let us see one more example. What is this? A bicycle. Everybody has seen that bicycle? Yes. Heaviest or lightest? What is this? A bike. Brum brum. Next. This is a car. So children, from these vehicles, which vehicle is the heaviest? Which vehicle is the heaviest? Car. Very good. And which vehicle is the lightest? Lightest. Light vehicle. Bicycle. Children, but we can compare with using that bicycle is heavy, and after bicycle, bike heavier, and then car heaviest, like this. It's heavy, heavier, heaviest. That means the heaviest vehicle from this three is car. Now let me go further. Now weights. See children, I've already taught you this. The words kilogram and gram is used to express weights. That means if you wanted to measure the weight, you have to use kilogram and gram. Okay. Next is 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. Kilogram is also represented as kg, which I taught you, and gram is also represented as g. Okay. Now see children, different weights. This I showed you. I've showed you this. Yes, this is one weight. In vegetable market or in fruit market, you can easily see this weight. Children, have you seen this weight? It is also one weight. Have you seen this weight, children? Where you found these weights? Children, these weights are found in railway station. It is used to measure big luggages, big bags, big luggages, which we cannot measure in this bean bag. Is this bean balance? We cannot measure this, such a huge weight. So for the big and huge luggages, we use this kinds of weight machine. And this is usually, we found this weight machine in railway station. Okay, children? Now let us see one more. Now see, children, this I have showed you. Okay, this is up to 2 kg or 4 kg. We use this to measure small things. Okay, as compared to big things, we can use to measure the small things with the help of this machine. But nowadays, children, we have digital machines also. Okay, where we don't require this weights. Okay, where we don't require this weights, where if you put the things, automatically you will get the answer for the weights: 200 gram, 250 gram, 246, 286, like this. Okay, now it's time for self-assessment. Self-assessment means what? Children, I will show you some objects. You have to weight that objects and tell me. Not now, but afterwards. Okay? Now see, you have to find out the weights of these objects. Will you find out? You will find out or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Now first is, this is a school bag. Children, you have to find out the weight of the school bag. The next is a telephone. You have to find out the weight of a telephone. If you don't have this telephone, you can also find the weight of a mobile phone. All are having mobile now. You can also find the weight of that mobile phone. Next is a book. Any book at your place, if you have, you must be having, of course. So that book you can weigh. And you have to tell me the weights of this. So children, this much for today. Thank you so much. You have listened to me. I hope you understood this chapter very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I hope you understood everything. Yes or no? All understood the weight properly? Now, if you will go in the vegetable market or a fruit market, you will be able to buy things? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Very good, everyone. God bless you all. Children, be home and be safe. Okay? Bye. Take care. See you soon and meet you soon again. Bye, children. Take care. And do the practice, okay, of this weight. Bye.